How you doing? Jeff from RV Diagnostics. It's April the 9th, closing the evening out. I sent my helper home. We're having some fun here. We're just going to talk about a suburban water heater right here. And I already put it through its cycle, saw some stuff, and already went over a lot of it with you, drawing the amp, drawing the electric. So I did a propane check, and this is what I found. I blew it out, I got wasp and all that, but you have to look at this too. If you can see the carbon buildup, right there. Look at that chunk of carbon. So let's bring it back to size 1. There you go. Basically, you need a 7/16. All right. Take this off. Of course, you have the gas turned off. It shouldn't come through anyway because the valves are shut, the solenoids. And there's a 7/16 under here, right there, holding it. I already took the nut off, right? So I'll take this off. Oh, I'm gonna put you on hold. Sorry for the movement. Put you on hold, and I'm gonna get this tube out of here. All right, so it came out. All right, you gotta pull that over a little bit. Get it out of there. That's the orifice down there, or the that's what it is. It's a jet. So I'm gonna clean that up real good, but I'm going to take this off. But the reason why I had to take this off the gas tube, right, that's where the flame goes, and I had to get to the electrical element, so I'm putting a new one in there. But while I was doing it, I'm like, man, look at that. That's pretty bad. Look at that, huh? Nice and chunky. Chunky monkey. Anyway, just a quick video on a teardown of an Atwood, or excuse me, Suburban. And this model happens to be a SW10E. Your 6E, 10E, and 12E are pretty much the same. They just have a different jet in them. The orifice I told you about, right in there. They flow more gas for the larger capacity water tank. So this is a quick video. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, on how to take apart and take care of your suburban hot water heater. Well, hot water heater is actually redundant. That's because it is hot. It's a water heater. So how about suburban water heater for my English correcting individuals out there? Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. What's the motto? Test, not guess. What's important about the test? Has one S in it. You put a dollar sign, you're going to pay that dollar first. The guess has 2 S's. You're going to double and triple and quadruple guessing, throwing parts at it. Remember, test, not guess. And the other one is safe travels. May your campfires burn bright till we meet on the road again. Safe travels, folks. Seriously, it's that time of the year. Everybody's going to get out there, start camping. Bye-bye.